Dowie Farm with the Microgreens Minute. A good salad spinner is worth its weight in gold. Trust me on this, all right? This is only 12 bucks, and gold, you know, it's expensive, but ain't that expensive. But we got a good salad spinner here. We're gonna put our greens in there from our wash tank in there. We're gonna give it one good pop. And we're gonna drain out that good amount of water, and then we're gonna spin the crap out of it. Here's the deal. This salad spinner goes one direction. Some of them go two directions. If it goes one direction, you can go fast. If it goes two, you got to go moderately medium. Or you'll break the stems. There we go. We're spun out. Now we're going to go to our tray over here. And we're going to dry these bad boys. If you like these little tips, join us at patreon.com/microgreens to support us and learn more, and you'll get a ton more videos. Thanks for watching.
Ah.